Hi Libra, what's up? Kamusta po kayo lahat? So I hope everyone's doing okay. So for today Libra, gagawin natin ang inyong December 2025 general love reading. Tingnan lang natin kung sino ang inyong kakonect and possible outcome nito by December. This is just a general love reading, guys. So only take what resonates, leave what doesn't. Also, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe and tap the notification bell para din po tayo updated sa ating mga new uploads in the future, okay? Regarding your horoscopes and your zodiac signs. So, Libra. What say Virgo? May kakunin siguro kayong Virgo. Libra, kamusta ang love life mo by December? We have here, block. So, someone's blocked either in social media, communication, or actual energetic block. Ba't may ganito yung cards ko? Someone here is feeling blocked. Maring sinadya talagang i-block. Parang ganun. Or parang may mga matitindi kayong problems in the past about your love life. You also have your grass is greener possibility. Someone is considering, maybe ikaw, maybe yung person mo, considering other options na outside of the relationship or another situation, missing you, thinking of you, missing it, thinking of you. Someone here could be you, could be them, na nami-miss ang isa sa inyo. Okay? Okay. Alright, so let's see. Libra, kamusta ka sa love life mo? Sino tong kakonect mo, Libra? Okay, sino po tong kakonect ni Libra for the month of December? Have your 9 of Wands, someone being cautious, someone being defensive. So, yung baka yung naka-block kayo yun. Kasi, defensive, I think, yung person yung someone na takot. Okay, could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sag. Bakit naman takot ang person ni Libra? The Tower card. So, maaaring may nangyari in the recent past or in the past na sobrang conflict, na nasira yung foundation nyo, nasira yung relationship nyo. This could be parang endings or upheavals, mga pagsubok, ganyan. Na mga trauma ata yung person nyo. And Magician card. Sino pang person nyo? Aries card. Could be even an Aries, Gemini, or a Virgo nga. Someone dito medyo hirap when it comes to power. Like, parang hirap siyang mag-manifest, hirap siyang magkaroon ng sense of control sa situation. Okay? So, there. Ano ba nangyari in the recent past kay Libra and your person? You have your 3 of Pentacles. So, maaari nakipag-collaborate sa ibang tao. 3 of Pentacles could also be sometimes third parties. Okay. 9 of Pentacles. Maaari nagkaroon ng loss of balance sa situation. Ace of Swords. Something about the truth. Something about a truth. And the World card. So, baka yung sitwasyon nyo, Libra, maraming taong involved o nasasali or nadadamay sa sitwasyon. Like, hindi lang kayong dalawa yung nagre-resolve ng problem. Baka may mga kaibigan, kapamilya, or other acquaintance na nakakapagpakos ng imbalance sa situation. I'm hearing off limit. So, meron dito may off limit sa isa. Okay. So, maaaring hirap na talaga yung person mo, Virgo. Is what I see. Ay, Virgo, Libra, sorry. Is what I see here. Parang there's a lot of conflicts between you and this person na ano yung gusto nila i-communicate. Justice card. This is the card of Libra. Third party. Three of Cups. Na gusto nila ng some kind of balance sa isang situation. What is the World card? Parang hindi ko alam kung nakikita pa ng person mo na magkaroon ng the person that you're dealing with. Parang hindi ko alam kung parang nade-discourage na sila sa situation nyo or parang mawawala na sila ng parang hope na magkakaroon pa kayo ng maayos na situation together. Could be in Aries, Scorpio, or another Libra na you're dealing with. Ano ang nararamdaman ng person na to kay Libra? Five of Pentacles, they're feeling left out in the cold. So, parang talagang andyan yung pagkapagod. Okay, parang feeling nila wala naman nararating tong situation na to or wala namang stability. The person that you're dealing with may be focused in career right now or other tangible things. Like, parang sa kanila, it's better to just let go of this connection. Kahit parang may promising future pa ako nakikita. Supposedly dapat. Yeah, Ace of Cups. The Devil card. Be a Capricorn that you're dealing with in 3 of Wands. So, parang feeling nila pag nag-offer pa sila sa'yo or parang feeling nila pag nagkaroon pa kayo ng connection is mahihirapan lang mag-take off or parang magkaroon ng maayos na outcome. Kasi maaaring may mga codependent issues, like lies, addictions, cheating, ako nakikita, deception. Ano mga possible situations na maaasahan ni Libra from this person moving forward with the month of December? So, King of Pentacles, there could be a significant Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn as well in your situation. Aling mag-focus sa stability. Anong maaling outcome nitong connection na ito? Empress card. Okay, Hierophant card. Okay. And the Ace of Pentacles. Let me see. So, is that it? I don't know if your person wants you to parang come clean or parang maging maayos ka muna if you want to offer something to them, if you want to have something traditional with them. You need to parang let go of a certain either individual or parang delete yung mga conflict sa inyong dalawa. Tama ba? Like parang kailangan maging maayos muna si Libra. Kailangan mong mag-offer ng tama and ayusin yung mga ginawa mo nung nakaraan. Para if you really want to still invest with this person, Libra. Okay, potential outcome ng situation na to by the end of December. The Lover's card, you could reunite together. The Lover's card. So nakikita ko dito, if you will come correct, if makikita ng person mo, it could be also dealing with a Gemini na you're acting right. Para mag-move forward tong relationship na to. A lot of major arcana. So, this is something big. Okay. Basta may mutual give and take lang. Okay. Maging maayos ka lang, Libra. Or maaring kailangan maging puro major arcana. Oh my God. Strength card. King of Swords. So, no cheating, no lying. Iwasan na rin ang pag-involve sa ibang tao. Is what I see. What's this? Hermit card. Okay. Iwasan ang addictions or engaging with codependent behaviors. Ganyan, Libra. Nakikita ko dito na baka tanggapin ka na ulit. Baka maging maayos ulit kayo. Advice kay Libra. Take a methodical approach and you'll achieve your dreams. So, maging ano ka muna sa person mo. Like, parang respect their boundaries muna. Okay? Kasi parang may nakikita akong boundaries dito. Respect their boundaries. Huwag kang maging aggressive sa approach mo. This is the Knight of Pentacles. 7 of Pentacles and the Ace of Wands. So, ano, as what I can see here, parang wag ka munang maging patient ka muna, okay? Sa person mo. Maging patient ka sa kanya, understand what they're going through. Huwag mo nang dagdagan yung stress nila and huwag mo nang parang dagdagan yung ano mo yun, yung fire sa conflict. Parang yun yung sinasabi dito. Okay? Alright. So, let's move on sa pagkuha ng oracle cards para kay Libra. Libra, ano ang mensahe para sa'yo for the month of December about your love life? Ever communicate, compromise, forgive, work it out. So, there might be, something about communication. Ako nakita, na may problem. Someone here needs to forgive. You both need to forgive each other and maybe work it out. Narcissist, I saw that too. Hindi ko lang sinasabi kanina. Someone is a narcissist here. So, you could be dealing with a narcissist. There is a narcissist here. Parang someone is too full of themselves na parang feeling nila sila lagi tama. Sila lagi yung, alam mo yun, correct. Or correct, tama, ganun. Or parang tingin nila sila lagi yung magaling sa sitwasyon, ganun. And intuition, the red flags you will ignore now will come back to bite you later. So, use your intuition when it comes to situations na parang, alam mo yun, with regards to your love life. Okay? Yun lang naman, Libra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the reading. Please don't forget to give this video a like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching, you guys. Bye!